Okay, so chloro, here we say chlorobenzene react with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and we get this compound here. Now we'll write down its name. See, the ortho product is always minor, and the para product is major. So this is minor and this is major. Now in this product, the name, now see, this is chloro and nitro. Chloro is C and nitro is N. So this will be given number 1 and this will be given number 2. Alphabetically also C come before N. So your name will become here what? 1 chloro, 2 nitro benzene, 1 chloro, 2 nitrobenzene. And here similarly, chloro and nitro, when these two groups are together, the first preference will be go to chloro, second, third and fourth, the preference will go to nitro. While writing the name also, C come before M, so name will be here 1 chloro, 4 nitro benzene. So this is the name for second one, and this is the name for the first one. Nitration. What is nitration reaction? Action of concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid is called as a nitration. Now we go for the next one, third. Sulfonation. Sulfonation means what? Action of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Concentrated sulfuric acid are also called as a concentrated sulfuric acid is also called as a fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming, correct? Now sulfuric acid formula. See, normally formula is what? H2SO4, but same can be also written as what? HOSO3H. See here, H2SO4 can be also written as, see how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So 2 hydrogen, sulfur 1, oxygen 4, 1 plus 3, 4. The same formula for our convenience can be also written as what? OHSO3H, correct? And here OH and this SO3H. SO3H group is called as sulfonic group. This is group is called as sulfonic group. So now I'll just write down the reaction. We are having here chlorobenzene, plus, now instead of writing H2SO4, I will write this. I'll write here as what? HOSO3H, and this is fuming. Fuming means concentrated sulfuric acid on heating, and then SO3H sulfonic group will attach at ortho position. Sulfonic group will attach at para position, correct? Sulfonic group will attach at ortho position. Sulfonic group will attach at para position, and then we get the product here as original chlorobenzene, sulfonic group SO3H, SO3H plus chlorobenzene, and here we'll have SO3H. Now see here, when SO3H go and attack at ortho position, one H will come out, will combine with OH to give water. SO3H will attack at the para position. One H will come out, will combine with the OH. Correct, will to water. So here we get two water, 2H2. Now balance the equation. 2 chlorobenzene ring. Okay. So here we'll write 2 chlorobenzene plus SO3H 2 times. So I'll write here 2 times. 2 times SO3H and 2OH combined with the 2H to gives you 2H2. Now we'll write down the name here. The name is written here. So now see, when chloro and sulfonic group is there, then this group has a higher priority, not by alphabetical order. This group has a higher priority. That is, this will be getting number 1 and this will be getting number 2. So your name will be here as 2 chloro, 2 chloro, 2 chloro, chlorobenzene, 2 chlorobenzene, sulfonic acid. And here this will be sulfonic group gets the number 1 and chlorine gets the number 2. So this will be called as the 4. Sorry, this is 4. So this is 4 chlorobenzene, 4 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, correct? And again here ortho is a minor product and this is going to be a major product. Okay, but anyway, if you don't mention, that is okay. You can just normally para is a major and ortho is a minor. Okay, we got this reaction. So what is sulfonation? To chlorobenzene we are adding fuming, means concentrated sulfuric acid, and we get the product here as what? 2 chlorobenzene and 4 chlorobenzene. Okay, now I'll go for the next now. Next here, that is 4 FRI Friedel Crafts reaction. It is called as a Friedel Craft reaction. Now Friedel Craft is the name of the person who has invented this reaction. So it is called as a Friedel Craft reaction. The person who has invented the reaction are called as a Friedel Craft, the name of the person. Now here I'll write down the reaction here. Chlorobenzene combined with methyl chloride CH3Cl. Chlorobenzene combined with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Chlorobenzene combined with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Correct? And then, you know what happened here? This CH3 part, which will become electrophile and will attack at ortho position. This CH3 part will attack at the para position and we get the two product here. That this is the original chlorobenzene and CH3 at ortho position plus original chlorobenzene Cl and CH3 at para position. Okay. Now when CH3 goes and attack over here, what comes off from this corner? H will combine with Cl. So what we get? HCl. Similarly, CH3 will attach at this corner and what we get from this corner? H will combine with the Cl. So we get over here 2 2H are coming out, so 2HCl. Now balance the reaction, there are 2 rings. So I'll write here 2 ring. So 2 ring with 2 chlorine, 2 ring with 2 chlorine. How many methyl? 2 methyl. So here I'll write 2 methyl and 2 Cl, and we got 2 Cl. Correct? The now name can be written as, normally there are 2 names. This is now see, this is a functional group and this is the alkyl group. So functional group will get number 1 and alkyl group will get number 2. Correct? So name will be what? 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. 1 chloro, because chloro and methyl, what come first? Chloro. So 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene, and the other one is called as this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So it will be 1 chloro, 4 methyl, 1 chloro, 4 methyl benzene. 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene, and 1 chloro, 4 methyl benzene. Definitely this is going to be the minor and this is going to be the major. लेकिन हमें mention करने की जरूरत नहीं. Also, we can write down the name here as, see, we know that the ring attached to methyl group is called as the toluene. Ring attached to methyl group. See, if the ring attached to Cl, it is called as chlorobenzene. When the ring attached to methyl group, it is called as a toluene. So, अगर मेरा toluene है, तो this will be 1 and this will be 2. So, I can just also call the name here as what? 2 chloro toluene, and this can be called as 4 chloro toluene. कोई भी एक नाम लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. वन इज, तो यहाँ पे हमने टॉलविन को मेन कंसिडर कर दिया एंड क्लोरीन को डेरिवेटिव लिखा. तो ये अगर रहेगा तो ये 1 और ये 2 बनेगा, तो 2 क्लोरोटोलविन. और अगर मैंने इसे अगर कवर किया तो ये बनेगा मेरा टॉलविन, ये टॉलविन बनेगा. तो इसका नंबर आएगा 1, तो ये नंबर बनेगा 4. सो 4 क्लोरोटोलविन. करेक्ट? तो ये हमारे प्रोडक्ट. सो इन दिस केस व्हाट यू हैव सीन हियर, one of the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by the methyl group. Methyl is alkyl group. So one of the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by methyl group. So it is methyl with the alkyl group. So reaction can be called as what? Alkylation reaction. So this reaction, when hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by, when hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by alkyl group, it is also called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. See here, when hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by the alkyl group, then it is called as a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay. Now in the Friedel-Crafts only, this I'll just say as a example. Now I'll go for the B example. B. What is the B example? Again, I'll start with chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, a benzene ring with alternate double bond, and will have chlorobenzene. Plus chlorobenzene plus. Now here we'll allow them to react with CH3, C double bond O, Cl. It's a new compound for us and it is called as acetyl chloride. CH3, C double bond O is called as acetyl and Cl is called as a chloride, and the reaction is done in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 means what? You should know, okay, whenever we are studying the Friedel-Crafts reaction, whenever we are studying the Friedel-Crafts reaction, the Friedel-Crafts reaction has to be done in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. यहाँ पे भी है anhydrous aluminum chloride. Now here यहाँ पे भी बॉन्ड हेटेरोलिटिकली ब्रेक होगा और ये पूरा ग्रुप जो हमारा इलेक्ट्रोफाइल बनेगा, this group is called as what? Acetyl, and this group will attach at ortho position, and this group will attach at para position. CH3 C double bond O. This group is called as acetyl and will attach at ortho position and will attach at para position. Correct? CH3CO और Cl अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन भी लेगा और यहाँ का इलेक्ट्रॉन भी लेगा, तो ये ग्रुप बनेगा इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. कौन सा ग्रुप इलेक्ट्रोफाइल बनेगा? CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड. ओके, तो हमें प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा? देखो, I'll just write the product here. Benzene ring with alternate double bond. Already Cl is there. और यहाँ पे देखो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, यहाँ पे ये कार्बन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, यहाँ पे अटैचमेंट होगा. Cl अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन भी लेगा, कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉन भी लेगा. कार्बन will have the plus charge. Carbon will have the plus charge. So attachment will be done to this carbon. So here we'll have carbon C double bond O CH3. See the product, carbon C double bond O CH3. ये एक प्रोडक्ट हमें मिलेगा, correct? Plus I'll write down the other product here. This group will go at the para position. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा मुझे? क्लोरोबेंजीन, क्लोरोबेंजीन और C, ए C अटैच करेगा यहाँ पे, तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? यहाँ पे C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3, C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3, करेक्ट. और ये मुझे प्रोडक्ट मिला प्लस, मतलब ये हमारा फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है. इसके बाद प्लस मैं यहाँ से निकाल देता हूँ, ये प्लस, ये प्रोडक्ट मिला प्लस. अब when CH3CO go and attach here, यहाँ से क्या बाहर निकलेगा? H. यहाँ से क्या बाहर निकलेगा? H. And the 2H will combine with 2Cl. 2H will combine with the 2Cl. So what we get here? 2HCl. 2HCl. और देखो यहाँ पे COCH3 ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे भी COCH3 ग्रुप है. हम इस ग्रुप का दे 2CH3CO ग्रुप, 2 benzene ring with Cl. So here we'll have 2 benzene ring with Cl. Okay. Now we'll write down the name of this compound. इसका नाम लिखना. Now, when you write down the name here, this compound, मतलब ये जो compound है, क्लोरीन को मैं कवर कर रहा हूँ, this compound is called as acetophenone. This compound is called as acetophenone. इसका नाम ही है acetophenone. और ये acetophenone में ये हमारा नंबर 1 रहेगा. ये नंबर अगर मेरा 1 है तो ये नंबर क्या रहेगा? 2 रहेगा. और 2 पे क्लोरीन आ रहा है, तो इट इज रिटन एज व्हाट? 2 क्लोरो स्मॉल ए आएगा, 2 क्लोरो एसिटोफिनोन. करेक्ट. सिमिलरली अगर यहाँ पे मुझे नाम लिखना है तो मैं इसे कवर करूंगा. अगर इसे कवर किया तो ये जो स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे बचेगा, मतलब कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर बचेगा? देखो मैं इसे कवर करूँ, यहाँ बेंजीन रिंग C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3, बेंजीन रिंग C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3 इज कॉल्ड एसिटोफिनोन. ये नंबर रहेगा 1, तो यहाँ पे 2, 3 और ये नंबर रहेगा 4. 4 पे क्लोरीन आ रहा है, तो नेम विल बिकम व्हाट? 4 क्लोरो एंड एसिटोफिनोन. 4 क्लोरो एसिटोफिनोन. फिनोन क्यों? बिकॉज यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में हम लोग देखेंगे इसके बारे में एक, बट ये कंपाउंड फ्लोर क्लोरो. नाउ ये ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट है, तो ये रहेगा माइनर और ये रहेगा मेजर. ओके, सो इन दिस रिएक्शन व्हाट वी हैव सीन हियर, देखो वी आर हैविंग क्लोरोबेंजीन. one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by which group? Acetyl group. CH3C double bond O group in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and we get the two product over here. One is called as 2-chloroacetophenone and another one is called as the 4-chloroacetophenone. नेमिंग कैसे दिया है देखो, मैंने इस Cl को कवर कर दिया, तो ये जो कंपाउंड यहाँ पे बचेगा उसका नाम क्या है? एसिटोफिनोन है. तो ये नंबर तुम्हारा 1 बनेगा, ये नंबर 2 बनेगा. 2 पे आ रहा है क्लोरो. सिमिलरली सेकंड स्ट्रक्चर देखो, यहाँ पे Cl मैंने कवर कर दिया, ये कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर बना? एसिटोफिनोन. और ये नंबर 1 रहेगा तो ये नंबर 4 रहेगा. 4 पे क्लोरीन आ रहा है तो क्या बनेगा? 4-chloroacetophenone. And now here, in this here, hydrogen atom is hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced, hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by CH3C double bond O dash. And CH3C double bond O dash, this group is called as acetyl. So when hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by acetyl group, then it is called as Friedel Crafts acetylation reaction. See here, when hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by acetyl group, then it is called as a Friedel-Crafts acetylation reaction. Correct? So Friedel-Crafts ने हम दो देखा. When the hydrogen atom is replaced by the alkyl group, then it is called as the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And when the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by the acetyl group, then it is called as a acetylation reaction. Okay. So with this, we have finished with electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. We have finished with electrophilic substitution reaction. Which are the electrophile we have used? Which are the electrophile we have used here? See, the first we have used here as a chlorine electrophile. For which reaction? Halogenation. Second, we have used here as a NO2 nitro group as a electrophile. Then we are using sulfonic group as a electrophile. Correct? And last, here we have used this methyl group as a electrophile. And here we have used the acetyl group as the electrophile. Okay, so we'll stop it over here. Thank you.